on Amazon. And so I spent about 3 months I'll never get back of my life um, trying to sell on Amazon.
Oh,
For me, it
yeah.
was highly unsuccessful. Um, I had to take all new photos because they have very different photo requirements
Yep.
and descriptions and everything. And once I got everything up, I think I tried 40 items to start or something like that. I got and of course you can't really talk to anybody at Amazon. It's all by email. And I think I'm talking to computers. But for me, this was my experience.
Yeah.
Amazon wrote to me and they said, you haven't paid your licensing fee to sell Disney memorabilia on our
Oh
site.
no.
And I said, what? And it said, you owe $10,000. It's $10,000 per year just to sell
Yeah.
Disney memorabilia on the Amazon site, which I can't believe is true because I've seen some things that people are selling on Amazon, Disney stuff,